Hi, I am Girish Kishnani, and you are watching 5-Minute Learnings. Welcome to the 18th video in the series on cognitive biases. Today, we'll explore the primacy bias. Primacy bias is the tendency to consider the first information received as far more important than the others. It also includes remembering the first impressions, circumstances, experiences, or people better than the others. However, it is the opposite of the recency bias, where one only remembers the last piece of information given or heard. This is why we often hear before an interview that first impressions matter. Our first impressions serve as anchor points, based on which the talent acquisition team forms judgments of each candidate accordingly. This is also similar to another cognitive bias, known as the anchoring bias, where one relies heavily on the first information given. This can have negative consequences and alter our decision-making capabilities. For instance, while standing in the aisle of detergents for household chores, our choice automatically sways towards one of those brands or companies that advertise their product in a good way. Numerous companies use this marketing strategy to present positive impressions of a product even before its launch, so we always remember the first piece of information available. Let's develop a common understanding of how primacy bias works and how it impacts us. Memory retention. Our long-term memory tends to process the first information better than the others. It cements the information, which is one of the main reasons why primacy effect bias occurs. One could say that it is an unconscious working of the brain to store the first information in our long-term memory and the most recent in our short-term memory. Repetition. This is another unconscious process in which our brain repeats the first piece of information stored in our long-term memory. For instance, while grocery shopping, we always remember the first items on the list, as humans tend to repeat the information in our brains. We recall certain information due to attentional bias, which also links with primacy bias. Anchoring point. As mentioned, an anchor point serves as another reason primacy bias occurs, because an individual sways toward the initial information provided to make subsequent judgments. Simply put, it influences our thought process and decision-making, and when we get anchored to one point, our brain ends up filtering all other information as it considers the first information as reliable. This could be due to multiple factors such as mood, experiences, and beliefs. While the terms primacy effect and primacy bias are mostly used interchangeably, sometimes scientific articles make a slight distinction between the two. They may use primacy bias to refer to how people make poor decisions due to over-reliance on first impressions and experiences, and they may use primacy effect to refer to the context of learning, denoting how people best recall the first items in a sequence. Recency versus primacy biases, two opposites. Primacy bias is the phenomenon of remembering the first piece of information received and prioritizing it as significant. Recency bias is the phenomenon of remembering the latest or most recent events. Primacy bias usually occurs when the information is shown visually, whereas recency bias usually occurs when the information is given orally. The main cause of a primacy bias is due to the processing of information in the brain that goes directly to long-term memory storage, whereas the main reason for a recency bias is that the items or information are still in the working memory, which makes it easier to recall. Primacy bias can be avoided by reflecting on further information provided and not being a victim of any anchor point. Recency bias can be avoided by considering the information provided earlier and taking time to process all data received. That's all on primacy bias. In the next video we shall explore placebo effect. Hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and follow or subscribe to my channel 5-Minute Learnings, and do remember to hit the bell icon to get notified on new content. Thanks for watching.